Welcome back to the channel. You might not even notice it yet, but the tools you use every day are slowly making some roles obsolete. So tell me, do you think AI is quietly replacing humans, or is it just here to help us? Drop a yes or no in the comments right now, because your opinion matters. Here's the reality. On one side, AI tools are transforming work faster than most people realize. They write emails, design logos, edit videos, and analyze massive amounts of data in seconds. They answer customer questions 24/7, never taking breaks or asking for a salary. One AI tool can now do the work of multiple assistants, a designer, and half a marketing team all at once. This isn't the future. This is now. Humans still have something AI can't replicate, at least not yet. We feel emotion. We understand context, culture, and nuance. We make judgment calls, innovate, and create vision in ways AI simply can't. AI can generate ideas or produce content, but it doesn't know why the story matters. It doesn't feel ambition, hunger, or fear. The truth is, people who embrace AI are becoming faster, smarter, and increasingly difficult to replace. People who ignore AI risk fading out slowly. And yet, questions remain. What happens when AI starts learning creativity, judgment, or decision-making? Will humans still have the edge, or will the lines blur entirely?
Some experts say AI will augment humans and make us more productive, while others warn it could displace millions of jobs if ignored.
And this isn't some distant sci-fi scenario. It's happening right now. Now I want your opinion. Comment yes if you think AI is quietly replacing humans, and no if you believe humans will always stay in control. Don't just agree. Disagree, debate, defend your side. I'll be reading, liking, and pinning the smartest comments, so make sure yours stands out. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button if you found this eye-opening, and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss the next video where I reveal exactly who actually wins in an AI-dominated world and why most people won't make it. Stay sharp, because this is just the beginning.